Today we will learn advanced Excel new trick, how to find data using index match with true function. So let's start. I have a data, date and stock open balance. I have to find out the date of open balance given in the column. So now we will write here formula is equal to index open brackets and type array. Array means what I find in data. So my array here is date column, and now we find the data in row. So now I will type match function in row and text, open the bracket and type true function and comma, and now type exact and again open the brackets and matching the data, text 1 comma text 2, close the bracket, and now I will type 0 for exact match and close the bracket, skipping the column function, and enter control plus shift. It will return exact data. So finish the formula. I hope you all enjoy the advanced Excel in formula.